Okay class, today we are going to write 21 pages of essay about your favorite jewel pet. Dark Coffretchi, was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Dark Coffretchi, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Dark Coffretchi, how dare you burped in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. You are hereby suspended for 23 days. Go home now. Dark Coffretchi, how dare you burp in class? In front of the principal. Dark Coffretchi, how dare you burp at us now? That's it. You are grounded for 74 weeks. Now go upstairs to your room now.
Whoa.